Hey guys, it's Blair with RevitAuto, and in this video we're going to be doing an updated review of the Harbor Freight Road Shock LED light bars. On our tire truck behind us, we have the 32, the 42, and the 52-inch light bars that also act as a spot floodlight as well. These things are incredibly bright. We've been using them for about a year now, and they're absolutely positively high quality product. Our oldest version of our oldest truck has 4 years, and those lights are still working. They've been taking abuse from being hit by trees, backed in by trailers, and being submerged underwater, and they're still basically all weather type, except for one of them which took a little bit of damage. So if you're just watching this video and you want to see our unboxing video, check out the playlist that we have on the Road Shock LED light bars. But I'm going to stop talking, we're going to let the camera roll, and we're going to show you guys our aerial photography at night, lighting up our field out front here, and you're going to be seeing all the different lighting. So we use all of the Harbor Freight lights as scene lighting for all of our vehicles for us to be able to see at nighttime. In Maryland, and the wintertime, the sun sets at about 4 o'clock. Sometimes we get stuck out on the job site, especially during snow season when we're doing a whole bunch of repairs. So this is our largest light bar setup. This is the largest light bar that Harbor Freight has, and it will literally light up an entire 17-acre field. The thing is crazy. On all of our trucks, we have them all angled down at about 45-degree angle, so you can see where everything is and where we can really just work around. But basically, this light produces near daylight, and you can see anything that it is that you need to while you're working around. So since this is our tire truck, and some commercial properties or some commercial fleets want to have their vehicle service at nighttime, we can now do complete scene lighting. We've had all of these lights now. These we've had for about a year. We've tested them pretty well and they still work. The oldest set of lights that we have are 4 years old, and we also have a bunch of videos if you want to check that out. I'm just going to open this door, turn on this light, and you'll even be able to see on the hill that the light completely lights up the hill and the work areas.